All right, so today we're going to start on an '08 Expedition. We have to create the original key. This owner bought this from the auction, replaced it with a new one. This is the old one, but it's also keyed to the doors, the center console, the back tailgate, everything. So today we're going to punch this ignition since we don't have a key for it. I'm going to show you how to do it, and we're going to get to work. All right, so we took off the immobilizer ring to expose the detent. The detent is right here. That's the part that we have to punch. And then we're gonna just pry that cylinder right out the front. And then once we get that cylinder out, I'll show you where to go from there. That's it. All right. So we've got the ignition out now. Let's see if we have a key code on here real quick. Doesn't look like I do have a key code, so we're going to tear this ignition apart, take everything out, decode it, and we'll come back when the cylinder is out of the housing. I don't really care about the current condition of this face cap. I'm not saving the cylinder. I'm just making the key. So for those of you out there going, don't destroy the faceplate, it's okay. Right there, teeter tot. Alright. Now you gotta pick all the wafers underneath here and then turn the cylinder sideways to remove the face cap. That's going to be its own little fun deal all on its own. Alright, so we managed to spin out the face cap. It is a bit of a pain in the butt sometimes to get the rotations right. But there's your release pin. That's what it gets caught up on, in case any of the locksmiths out there were wondering. And now we're going to take out the core. And now we're going to decode our key. And I'll be back with the cuts. I bet he's got some trash in here. Yeah, we're going to clean this out. Chill, man. That's it too. Yeah, look at that dirt. Oh, that trash. Oh, you can see it better if I put it out on here. Try first 1 and 2. On a Ford, you've got your 8 cuts. If you put your key into the empty cylinder, you can see that the tip of the key lines up with the very tip of the cylinder, so you don't have any in-between cuts. It starts from cut 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. That's a skip on number 2, and then there's your 1. And when you put this into the system, it will give your second cut as a default when it decodes the key for you. So we'll figure out the cuts and we'll get back to you. Pull any codes for us. What we're going to do is a code cut by card. When you put the key in, you see our wafers sticking up. You're going to go cut by cut as you take the wafers down to the shear line, and it will create the key from scratch. I'll be back. So we'll go ahead and check it before we do our final cut. Let's see how we're stacking up. So
Clear. Mid. So, like we.
Yeah. Okay. All right, so we've made our key. We've put this into the cylinder housing to test, make sure that the key turns correctly. We have our one missing cut here on number 2. So we plugged in our 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 cuts. Brought us to one option. So we're going to cut this key, and that will be the customer's decoded key for the rest of his expedition. That's the decoded key for the customer's expedition. No longer have to change both doors, center console, or rear tailgate. So in addition to this video, guys, we're going to be making a whole lot more automotive as the cars come in. So we'll be growing every day, doing a bunch of different things. So go back, watch our videos. If you got any questions, hit us up, and we'll get back to you.